Hello, welcome. Today we're gonna practice your body as a pendulum and you're gonna discover how your intuition arises through your body. So follow me. So first step, stand with your feet apart, your knee a little bit soft. Feel your body upright and aligned. Take a deep breath and just let yourself settle into your body. Notice how your feet grounding on the floor and simply breathe. Connect to your breath. Breathe in and out. Now connect to your body and feel your yes. Please show me a yes. Okay. I sense my body gently moving forward. That's how my yes shows up. Maybe it's different for you. And now we are going to do the same for the no. So, dear body, show me a no. So, I'm pulled backward. You might feel it differently, so just allow your answers to show up. And let's do some practice. We will test it. So, to practice your body as a pendulum, you have to ask closed questions. So, yes or no answers. So, for example, in a workshop I recently played with by asking, do you feel like eating fondue tonight? So now ask your body, do you feel like eating fondue tonight? Yes. Yes, it's very surprising because right now it's spring, so it's not the time to eat a fondue. So my mind was already trying to give the answer, so the no, but my body feels like, yeah, I actually want a fondue. Okay, so test it for you, and then we'll try another question. Do you want to go hiking in the mountains with friends this weekend? Yes, why not? Yes, okay. So it was not a real yes for me, it's more something in between. So maybe I will ask it again. Do you want to go hiking with friends this weekend? Okay, the yes is here. Actually, I feel some hand pushing in my back. So, yes, I will call my friend. So, now let's go deeper. Ask yourself a question for your business. What's the next aligned step I want to take in my business or project? So, connect yourself to this step. So, for me, it's going on with this project and finalizing it and put it online so that you can download it. So, do you want to go on today with this step? Yes, okay. And it was the same. I feel some hands in my back, in my lower back. So, yeah, they try to push me forward. So it was very interesting. You know, I can feel some support. So, What is your answers? How does it feel for you, this pendulum body, this body pendulum practice? And yeah, let me know. Email me or contact me on Substack or here below on the comments if you want. Feel free to to give me some feedback. I'm always happy to read you, and I hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.